A very good morning. Welcome to another edition of Nigerian Stock Exchange. At breakfast, whatever you do, grab something to drink before we get it on. Right, the market is open and things are already happening. There have been some early gainers and losers as always. So let me tell you who are the people making the first impressions in the market. Who are the people making the first impressions in the market? Yesterday was a mixed day. Some big name stocks took heavy hitting, and then some also had some good outings. Yesterday was a bad day in the office for many, and for many also it was a good day in the office. That's how the stock market is. All right, so let's see what's been happening. The market just opened less than an hour ago, and who are the ones making waves already? It's the second working day of the week, and then let's see, investors are still out there looking for deals. So who are the people making waves this early in the business day? Okay. Access Holdings is right now trading at 0.2%. It's losing to 0.2% down and is trading for 25 naira. Access Holdings down by 0.2% and trading for 25 naira. Consolidated Hallmark is at 0%. It hasn't taken any beating. It hasn't taken any losses. Or Austin Lance is at 0%. It has not taken any beating so far, and it hasn't gained a good one for it. Or yesterday, Boa Cement took a heavy beating. The price went down by 9.99%. Boa Cement lost heavily yesterday, losing in by 9.99% of the share value of percent in the market, and it's right now trading at 306 naira 20 kobo. Boa Cement 306 naira 20 kobo. Grab something. It's breakfast time. Right now, at the moment, IECO Insurance is marginally up by just 2.2%. IECO Insurance is one of the early gainers. It's riding high. It's up and running 2.25%. Let me see if I can take advantage of that. IECO Insurance is doing well in the market right now. One of the early gainers, up in value by 2.27%. Also up, Nigerian Exchange closed on a bearish note yesterday. So right now is stable at 0%. Nigeria Exchange Group. Nigeria Exchange Group is trading right now for 137 naira 10 kobo. 137 naira 10 kobo. Mutual Benefit is at 0%. It's trading at its normal price, no changes to its value since the market opened. Whereas MTN is up. MTN is impressive this early morning in the market. MTN is already up by 4.93% and is trading right now at 810. MTN up in value by over 4% and trading for 810 naira. MTN. Cadbury, no changes. Cadbury is just taking it low. It's currently trading for 57 naira. It's at 0% Cadbury. That's Cadbury for you. Chemical and Allied Product is also taking it easy. It hasn't experienced any movement yet. It's trading for 157 naira and 60 kobo, but no changes. It hasn't lost anything, no gain. Capitan Offshore is at 0% as well. It has not gone, hasn't gone anywhere. It hasn't gone down and it has not gone up. Now UAC is at 0%. USC is at 199 naira 95 kobo. USC is trading at 199 naira 95 kobo. It hasn't experienced any movement since the market opened. Arade Holdings has done really well. It's right now trading for 1,526 naira 80 kobo. But since the market opened, it doesn't experience any movement. Arade Holdings, no changes, no movement so far in the share price. Lotus Halal ETF has had a downward movement by over 1%, 1.12%. That's Lotus Halal. It's bearish at the moment, trading from 128 naira 80 kobo. Let's see who else is doing stuff. Jais Bank is already up in value by over 2%, 2.87%. Jais Bank is impressing early 2.87%. That is Jais Bank for you. And also a sovereign trust also is up in value. This also is another early gainer. Sovereign trust insurance is up by over 1%. Sovereign trust Cornerstone, no changes so far. Cornerstone hasn't experienced any movement so far. Cornerstone insurance is at 0%, no changes. First holding is among the early gainers. Let me see what can be done to first holding. First hold, rather. I need to take advantage of that. First hold for parent company of First Bank of Nigeria. It's up in value by over 3%, 3.66%. That is good. And right now it's trading for 68 naira. First Bank, First Holding is trading for 68 naira. Is early impressive for First Hold Go. Okay, they should make the shareholders happy, or those who want to trade their stuff, they trade part of their portfolio. First Hold Go up in value by over 3%. Okay, another one doing very good this early morning. Also doing good this early morning is Champion Breweries. Champion Breweries has not experienced any movement so far, so it's good. It's trading for 12 naira 30 kobo. Champion Breweries has not experienced any movement. It's trading for 12 naira 30 kobo. Who else is impressive in this opening hour of the market? Let's see. Let's align to the market. As you can see, some stocks are already up and running. Sun Assurance, no movement. Sun Assurance, no movement. Lasaco, no movement, no changes to its share price. Custodian investment also, no changes. Custodian investment, no changes. Livestock feeds, no changes to its share price. GTCO, Guaranteed Trust Holding, no changes. Is trading for 124 naira 20 kobo. Guaranteed Trust Company trading for 124 naira 20 kobo. No changes to its share price. Dangote Sugar, no changes. Is at 0%. Less than 9 to the market. Dangote Sugar, no price movement. GTCO, no movement. And Dangote Cement, no changes. We are just less than 9 to the market. Dangote Cement is still going for 1,447 naira, 1,047 naira for Dangote Cement. No changes to share price, no changes to Dangote Sugar as well. Prestige Assurance, no changes. It's still there. It's early there in the market, but some stocks are already making waves, as I've mentioned. Fall City Merchant Bank Group, FCMB Group, no changes also to its share price. Is trading for 10 naira 10 kobo. But International Breweries is among the early gainers. Is already up by 4.79%. International Breweries is in a hurry to impress investors, and investors are happy with it. That's why the share price is up already by 4.79%. International Breweries. Nigerian Breweries, on the other hand, is still flat at 0%, trading for 74 naira per share. No changes. Nigerian Breweries is at 0%, but International Breweries, as you can see, is impressive 4.79% up. Red Star was among the top 5 losers of yesterday, but right now is stable. No changes to share prices at 0%. Red Star Express, the courier company. Coronation Insurance is at 0%. No changes. Name it, no changes. Wema Bank 0%, but Wema Bank has done well of recent. Is back to 30 naira level. Right now, Wema Bank is going for 30 naira. Fidelity Bank closed yesterday on a bullish note, but right now, no changes, no price movement has happened to it. Zenith Bank closed yesterday also on a bearish note. It went down at the close of business yesterday, so it opened on a bearish note, but right now it is stable. Zenith Bank has taken a plunge right now. It's just at 107.20 naira. Zenith Bank was far up there about a week ago, but because it took some beating yesterday, and right now it's trading for 107 naira and 20 kobo. Neso is not going anywhere. Neso, is one of the most expensive stocks in Nigeria. It's over 3,000. It's at 0%, but trading for 3,125 naira. That's Neso for you. Secure Electronics, no changes. Guinness, no changes. Guinness is trading for 329 naira. It hasn't experienced any movement so far this morning. NPF Microfinance, Nigerian Police Force Microfinance Company Bank, it's not experienced any movement so far. Okomo Oil Palm, no changes to its share price. It's also one of the most priceless stocks on the NGX. It's over 1,000 naira, 1,418 naira per share, but it has not experienced any movement this morning. Stanbic IBTC, it did well yesterday. It performed well in the second half of yesterday. It actually closed on a bullish note yesterday. Stanbic IBTC, after a long couple of days last week, it went up yesterday around in the afternoon. It closed on a bullish note, but right now the price has stabilized at 157 naira per share. Ikeja Hotel has been doing well, but right now it is stable, 42 naira 50 kobo. That's Ikeja Hotel. Sterling Financial is down a bit, over 3% down. Right now also International Energy is stable, no changes to share price. Veritas Assurance, Veritas Capital 0%. Japol Gold and Ventures 0%. Oando performed well yesterday. Oando actually had a mixed day yesterday. There was a time it was up, but later it came down. But right now it is settled at 0% and trading for 39 naira. Oando. UBA also is stable right now at 14.75 kobo. No changes to share price. It's less than 1 hour since the market open at 9:35. So some of them investors are still not sure whether they want to go for this particular share or not. Unilever performed well yesterday, but right now it is settled. No movement in the share price. It's going for 122 naira 65 kobo. Unilever. Universal Press has been up and going of recent, but right now it's at 0%. Vitafoam was one of the top gainers yesterday. It seems people are loving Vitafoam. Maybe it's giving them more sleep. Investors' might seem to be at rest. It performed well yesterday, one of actually the top gainers. Let me check my record. Vitafoam. But right now, at this moment, it is settled at 0%. Yes, Vitafoam closed yesterday more than 5% up. It was one of the top 5 gainers of yesterday, but right now it is settled at 0%. But the price of yesterday has lifted it. It's now going for 194 naira 80 kobo Vitafoam. Tantalizers is always a darling of investors. Tantalizers is settled, no movement in the share price so far. And also Ella Lakes, no movements in the share price, it's 0%. Tantalizers also 0%. UPDC, no changes to share price. And also Universal Insurance, no changes to share price, is settled at the moment. Let me see, where's GTCO? GTCO, where is it? Okay, I've mentioned Zenith, that is at a low price, 107 and 20. Fidelity is always impressive. It closed on a bullish note, as I mentioned earlier. Where's GTCO? GTCO, yeah, GTCO is at 0% right now. It closed at 124. It's at 124 naira 20 kobo, which is not a bad price, but GTCO used to reach 126 and thereabout. But right now, anyway, it's still less than an hour since the market opened, so investors are probably still playing a chess game, looking at how to go. So that's the market update for now. Thank you so much for joining. I'll give you further updates later in the day. For now, enjoy the rest of your breakdown or your breakfast, and I'll see you soon.